Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. Today we'll see one new use case in Power BI for adding the drill through option in our overall main page. Okay, so in real-time projects, mostly customer wants to see the detailed information in the drill down pages and the overall aggregated information in on the main pages. Okay, so it's like customer wants to see the aggregated information, like if we have the cells, then they just want to see the total cells on the main page, and then by going to drill through they just need to see the data as per the country, as per the city, like that. Okay, by any field they just want to see the cells count. So in that case we can just use the drill through option in Power BI. By taking the filter of that particular field, we can go inside of that field. Okay, so let's understand the drill through option in Power BI. By using the drill through, you can create a drill through button in Power BI. This button drills through to a page with details that are filtered to a specific context. Okay. One way to drill through a report is right click in a visual. However, if you want to the drill through action to be more obvious, you can create the drill through button also. Okay. A drill through button can increase the discoverability of important drill through scenarios in your reports, and you can conditionally determine how the button looks and acts. Okay, so we'll see it in Power BI how to create the drill through in Power BI. So I'm just showing you how this function will work. So here I have the aggregated cells. So if I right click here and go to this drill through option, then I can go to the detail analysis page. So here I will get the cells by country, city, region and ship mode, profit and discount also. Okay, so as per customer requirement we can show the drill down page and information in drill down pages. So I will just show you how to create this. So here I'm taking these total cells. So if we have to add one bar chart like this, and here we have to get the reason. Okay, we will get reason here and these cells in y-axis. Okay, so now we have this visual showing the region wise cells. Okay, then if I need to create the detail page for this particular visual, then I can just create one new page. You can use any visuals. I'm just using the table. I can take the country, state, city and the sales, profit and discount. Okay, so we have this table. So for adding the drill through for this particular visual, so we have to find out on which field we have to give the action of drill through. So here we are giving the action of drill through on the reason, so we need to add the reason in the drill through button. Okay, into this drill through option. So I have added the reason in the drill through section for drill through page. So here I have this back button. Now what I need to do is I will just click on the east region, then I will get the drill through option. Okay, then I will go to the page 4 that we have created now. So here I will get the information about that particular reason. Okay, so I can just add the reason also in this table so that you can understand better. So see, we are coming from the east region, then we will get the east region's information. If I will go back and filter drill through for this west region by right click here, I just need to click drill through and then go to the page 4. Okay, so I will get the information about the west region only. So in west region I have these countries, the state and the city and their sales, discount percentage and the profit. Okay, so you can also use the drill through in your project for showing the detailed information as per your requirement. Okay, so in this way we can add the drill through functionality, and it is also so useful in real time projects. Customer mostly wants to see the detailed information, they are not interested to see the overall information. Okay, so that's it about this video. If you like to watch more videos like this, then please don't miss to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.